Good wishes, dear students. The concept you will be learning in today's class is chemical properties of phenol. Under phenol, there are two categories of chemical properties. One involving reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. The other one reactions involving benzene ring. You know that phenol structure is benzene ring with the OH. So one type of chemical properties will affect only the OH bond. The other type of chemical properties will attack the benzene ring. So that's the point we have given. Let's start with the reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. The first reaction, reactions with a zinc dust. So phenol, when you treat with the zinc dust and heat it, we get a benzene plus ZNO. That is, hydrogen comes back to the ring, ZNO combines with the oxygen and goes out as a zinc oxide, giving us benzene. So the key point here is hydroxyl group in phenol is eliminated and oxide is being removed there. The second preparation, reactions with ammonia, that is phenol. When you treat with ammonia, ammonia molecular formula NH3. Already you have a OH here. Out of the 3 hydrogen, 1 combines here and goes out as a water molecule. Now this particular place is occupied by the leftover. Out of the 3 hydrogen, 1 is combining with the OH and goes out as a water molecule. We are left with 2 more hydrogen. So benzene ring with the presence of NH2 group is called as an aniline. You have learnt it under Sandmeyer reaction. So this reaction again and again you will be learning preparation of aniline. Phenol, when you treat with ammonia in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, water molecule goes out and we get aniline to be the main product. The third one, formation of ester. It is known under Schotten-Baumann reaction. Very important and easy reactions. Here again phenol, when you treat with acetyl chloride, that is CH3COCl, there are 2 types of preparation. One, phenol is getting treated with acetyl chloride, the other one with a benzyl chloride. So acetyl chloride formula CH3COCl. The cleavage takes place, CH3CO attains a positive charge, chloride ion attains a negative charge. So here OH, when we say oxygen with a negative charge, hydrogen with a positive charge, H plus will combine with the Cl minus and goes out as a HCl. We are left with benzene ring with 1 oxygen, COCH3. Putting it together, you get a benzene ring with a O, C double bond O and a CH3. This represents the formation of an ester RCOOR. Alkyl group COOR will be benzene ring. One is an aromatic, one is an alkyl group, but both stands for an organic compound. So formation of ester under Schotten-Baumann reaction. Phenol you treat with an acetyl chloride in the presence of a sodium hydroxide and pyridine. We get an ester known as a phenyl ethanoate. The second preparation, phenyl with a benzyl chloride, acetyl chloride CH3COCl, benzyl chloride with another C6H5COCl. The same cleavage, Cl gets a negative charge, C6H5CO attains a positive charge here, plus will combine with a minus, minus will combine with a plus. In the presence of a sodium hydroxide and pyridine, we get phenyl benzoate. So that is a 1 benzene ring from here, another benzene ring from here, O and C double bond O remains as it is, plus HCl. Now this compound is called as a phenyl benzoate. When you have a methyl group, it's called as a phenyl ethanoate here. So these are the 2 reactions under Schotten-Baumann reaction, that is the formation of ester. Moving back to formation of ether, known by Williamson ether synthesis. Phenol, when you treat with sodium hydroxide, H combines with the OH, as you have seen it previously, we get a sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide, when you treat with methyl iodide, that is CH3I, sodium will combine with iodide ion and goes out as a sodium iodide. O, the CH3 will take the place of Na here, so you get an anisole. So benzene ring with the presence of OCH3 is called as an anisole. IUPAC name of it will be methoxybenzene because two organic one aromatic group, one alkyl group. In between you have an oxygen that stands for the preparation of formation of an ether, ROR. So the common name anisole, benzene ring with a OCH3. IUPAC name will be methoxybenzene. This reaction is also very important, Williamson ether synthesis. Moving back to the second last oxidation reaction, chemical properties, oxidation. Phenol, when we treat with potassium dichromate, in the presence of a concentrated H2SO4, rearrangement of the double bond and the atom to oxygen, presence of oxygen takes place here. We get 1,4 benzoquinone. And the very last reaction, reduction. Phenol, when you treat with 2 moles of hydrogen in the presence of a nickel at the temperature of 160 degrees Celsius, we get cyclohexanol. The double bonds are being removed from the benzene ring. We get cyclohexanol, that is a cyclo group with a hexanol group with a OH, called as a cyclohexanol. So these are the few chemical properties involving cleavage of OH bond. Especially remember the name reaction, preparation of aniline, Schotten-Baumann reaction 2 category. One, phenol treating it with the acetyl chloride, the other one with the benzyl chloride, and a very special one, Williamson ether synthesis. Thank you.